I'm going to draw up a set of plans for this clock case. I don't know why I'm doing it really, because I've probably got a few like this already. I've drawn up hundreds of clocks over the years. So good sharp pencil. The height of the plinth is 16¼ inch. I'm just going to make some notes on this corner. It's difficult to see this rule actually. 1¼ inch. 3/8 and 5/8. To that and back. It's 9¼ inch. The corner of the top of the plinth has this extra bit of decoration around it. Which again is mitered at 45 degrees, which is roughly that, it doesn't have to be precise. And cross banding, I'll need to get a pattern for the top of the door. I can't get that in because they're cut out. So that quarter round moulding is about 3/16, and the cross banding is 3/4 inch. (11 5/8), and the length of the door is 31¼ inch. That's better. Lots of really fine detail on these that you don't really notice until you look closely. So that's quite a small bead there, and there's a double step there. Sometimes there's a triple step. So I'm just going to do the same again here. And that little bead in as well. That's the shape of this bit. That's the square bit which I've redrawn here. It's got this little bead overhanging and the measurement of the length of this piece. I'll just measure this. That is 20 inches by 8 3/4. Inch and a quarter at the top. So this is a cross section of the side, so that's that side piece there, that's this moulding tucked behind the pillar, that's the door, this is the dial mask, which is that. That's the measurement, that's a piece of glass, that's the cross banding around the edge, that bit's mahogany and that's oak, that's mahogany and that's oak. So it's just the way it was made. This is a bit unusual. I think that's the way it's constructed, but it doesn't matter. Usually they're just one piece running straight across, and all that would be mahogany and that would be the oak. made a mistake here. That is 2 inches from there to there, it should be, and it's 3/16 too big, because I got my measurement from that, and one of these mouldings runs out, because this is drawn from the back, not the front, so it's out by 3/16. So I've just, rather than get rid of this and redraw it, I've just marked that in and put a measurement in, so when I come, if I ever use this, I'll know what it is. So I've drawn the pillars up, just give an indication of the fluting. There's always a little bit at the back which isn't fluted because there's no point, because you don't see it. But they never run through. So that's my centre line at the top, and it runs down there, and there's the centre line of the bottom one. They always lean in, they never run like they should do, or you'd expect them to. Sometimes I draw the side view down here, but I've got all the information I need, so there's no point in doing that. So that's everything I need. So if I wanted to make a copy of it, well, it's useful for restoration. The only thing I could do, if I picked up an old bracket clock movement, sort of 7 or 8 inch dial, and I'd shrink this down and make a miniature, that would be worth doing. That'd be a nice little job, but whether I find one or not. I've picked up a few old grandfather clock movements in the past, and made cases for them. There's a couple there with oak with mahogany cross banding. I also did a marquetry one as well.